Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious cucumber pickles without any added sugar. First, select fresh, firm cucumbers, ideally 3 to 5 inches long. Wash them thoroughly. Next, prepare your simple brine. Combine 4 cups of water, 4 cups of white vinegar, and 1/4 cup of pickling salt. Bring this mixture to a boil, ensuring the salt fully dissolves. This forms the flavorful base for your sugar-free pickles. Now let's get your jars ready. Sterilize your pint or quart jars and their lids by washing them in hot, soapy water and rinsing well, or by running them through a dishwasher. While still hot, carefully pack the cucumbers tightly into each jar. You can stand them upright or lay them horizontally. Add 1 or 2 cloves of garlic and a fresh dill sprig to each jar for extra flavor. With your jars packed, it's time to add the hot brine. Carefully pour the boiling brine over the cucumbers, leaving half an inch of headspace from the rim. Use a non-metallic utensil to remove any trapped air bubbles. Wipe the jar rims clean to ensure a good seal. Place the lids and screw bands on finger tight. Process the jars in a boiling water bath canner for 10 minutes. After processing, carefully remove the jars from the canner and place them on a towel to cool completely, undisturbed, for 12 to 24 hours. You should hear the lids pop as they seal. Check for proper seal by pressing the center of the lid. It should not flex. Store your sealed, sugar-free pickles in a cool, dark pantry. They will be ready to enjoy in about 2 to 3 weeks.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.